Now we're going to go over the setup for the software so that you can run it and make new listings on the Facebook Marketplace. The first thing is the accounts file. We've got an example here which shows you the different formats that are allowed, one per line within this file. This here, if it's a normal account, email or phone, and then the password, email and phone, plus the password, and a proxy if you choose to use a proxy. The IP import is supplied by the proxy provider. If it requires a username and password for the proxy, it's set up this way. And if you have multi-login installed on your computer and want to use a profile ID number instead, you can put it here and remove the IP import here. That is left blank because it'll be controlled by multi-login. Save your file and select it here within the software. For the city examples, it's going to be city, comma, space, and the state, or however you usually put in your location, depending on your region within the world. You would put this exactly how you would use it inside of Facebook directly. You type it out here, one per line as needed. The data CSV file, and I will show it to you here, contains a lot of information that's used for making your new listing on Facebook. Let me expand these a little bit. So you're going to choose your title, what you're selling, your description here, and if it's multi-line, make sure it's all contained in this. Make sure it's all contained here in one cell. Your price without the $ or cents. For images, this folder should be unique to each line. So each line should have its own images folder, and inside that unique folder for that line should be unique images so that you do not get a duplicate error from Facebook. The images inside these folders are in alphanumerical order, so you can name them 1 through 10 or A through Z, or however you wish to name them. They will be used in alphanumerical order, and select the number of images that you want to use for each line. If your Facebook Marketplace shows multiple categories, you would click on one category and then it would show another for you to click on and another. You would set up the main, second, third, and fourth categories. If it shows all in one list for categories, just set that right here on your main category itself. Shipping type and the rest of these are all case sensitive, so make sure that it matches exactly to how it is in Facebook. Shipping type here, shipping rate or weight, condition, new, like new, and so forth. Brand, your tags separated by commas. Quantity available, whether or not to hide from friends, then this is all uppercase, TRU or FALS. Allow offers on the item, true or false. Min price that you're willing to accept if you allow offers. Additional item fees. Free shipping, yes or no. It's going to be true or false. Shipping carrier is going to be priority mail, ground, or priority mail, or however it is showing on your Facebook. Package details per item, and the shipping carrier item itself. So set all of these per line as needed to your Facebook listing as they're required. If they do not show, you do not need to have a value. To verify, it is a comma delimited file, and you can edit it in Excel, Google Sheets, or a spreadsheet editor. You can open with Notepad and see that everything is comma delimited. If your description has commas in it or your title, it will be encased in double quotes. And this is to make sure that that cell remains all together, so it doesn't treat it as a new cell. The number of posts per account, you're going to be training Facebook to your posting pattern. So if you were not previously posting on the Facebook Marketplace, I suggest putting this from 5 to 10 posts. And as you use it more and more, you can increase this number as needed. Minimum wait time between listings, I recommend 30. And for the maximum wait time, say 60 or 90, and you can play with these numbers however you'd like. They are in seconds. Thebestspinner.com will automatically spin your descriptions and replies if you insert your details here. If you do insert details here for thebestspinner.com and it returns pre-spun content, you can use it in the marketplace, your replies, or both. The auto reply settings right here, if you click it, you can use it by selecting it and then checking this box here. It will first log into your account, go to your inbox, and reply to any new messages. I will show you how the new smart reply system is set up in the CSV here in a moment. If you wish to just do auto replies on your inbox and not make any new listings, check this box here. If your connection is fast, meaning 25 megabytes download or faster, select fast here. Otherwise, if it's less than 25 megabyte download, select slow. This is the amount of time, and it's going to help gauge the amount of time for the image uploads when they're being performed. Underneath the reply CSV that we give you as an example, for instance, if somebody asked you if the item was available or for your email, phone, or website, and so forth, it will first go in order, and as soon as it reaches one of these keywords or phrases that are available in the message you received, it will answer with the message to send. And as we see here, we're using spin text. So you don't have to use thebestspinner.com. You can put it in here yourself as well, or just put regular text like this here. The way spin text works is, for instance, we have items in here separated by a line pipe wrapped in curl brackets. So this could read, yes, it's available, or yes, it's on hand, and it will automatically choose something from inside those curl brackets separated by a pipe. Like this here would be purchase or buy or pick up. Save that file and it will automatically use it for your replies. I hope you've liked this tutorial video, and as always, if you have any questions, please use our support ticket system. I reply daily and check it constantly, so if you have any problems, we will address them. Thank you.